Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at home and enjoying your studies. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are learning English lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. So, we are doing fair book notes. So, take out your English fair book and your compass box and be ready to write down. Okay? So, as you all know, before starting our session, I would like to tell you a very nice thought. So, let's begin with today's thought. Today's thought is life is like riding a bicycle. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Means, in any situation, you can't sit lazily. If you will sit, your life will not be move on. For example, right now we all are facing corona situation, COVID-19 situation, right? So you are learning, you are studying at your home, in your phone, in your TV, in your laptop, right? But if you will sit as it is that no, I want to study on the board, then you can't move on. You can't learn new things. So if you want to move in your life, if you want to learn something new, you have to keep moving. You have to learn new things. So my dear students, in previous lecture we have completed total 4 topics in our fair book, that is hard words, meanings, give one word and fill in the blanks. Which topics we have completed? Hard words, meanings, give one word and fill in the blanks. So my dear students, first I will read all the topics of previous lecture. So students, those who missed anything, they can write down, and students, those who are absent, who didn't attend previous lecture, they can also understood that what we are going to do today. Okay? Let's begin. Hard words. 1. Shark. Number 2. Simon. Number 3. Dolphin. Number 4. Ocean. Number 5. Beautiful. Number 6. Dudley. Then number 7. Lighthouse. Number 8. Murky. Number 9. Swamp. Number 10. Grumpy. Number 11. Swimming. Number 12. Lazily. Then number 13. Favorite. Number 14. Lurking. Number 15. Whistle. Number 16. Giggle. Number 17. Managed. Number 18. Chasing. Then number 19. Lived. Number 20. Platypus. 21. Breasted. Number 22. Gobbler. Number 23. Hooty. Number 24. Snooty. Then number 25. Crawler. Number 26. Shuffling. Number 27. Alligator. Number 28. Raggedy. Number 29. Overalls. Number 30. Frog. Then number 31. Banjo. Number 32. Raccoon. Number 33. Fiddle. Number 34. Strummed. Number 35. Wonderful. Number 36. Flabbergasted. Then number 37. Flippers. Number 38. Applauded. Number 39. Fins. Number 40. Musicians. Number 41. Separate. Number 42. Trotted. Then number 43. Occurred. Number 44. Creatures. Number 45. Brilliant. Number 46. Different. So total 46 hard words are there. After hard words, we have written meanings. So let's revise meanings. Number 1, murky. Answer is dark and dirty. Number 2, swamp. Answer is soft and wet land. Number 3, grumpy. Answer is unhappy. Number 4, duck-billed platypus. Answer is a sea creature. Number 5, shuffling. Answer is walking slowly and noisily. Then number 6, raggedy. Answer is looking old and dirty. Number 7, fiddle. Answer is violin. Number 8, flabbergasted. Answer is surprised and shocked. Number 9, trotted. Answer is walked quickly. Then give one word. So let's revise. Number 1, a tower with a flashing light at the top to guide ship. Answer is lighthouse. Answer is lighthouse. Number 2, hiding and waiting to attack. Hiding and waiting to attack. Answer is lurking. Answer is lurking. Number 3, someone who complains a lot. Someone who complains a lot. Answer is grump. Answer is grump. Number 4, a garment with trousers and straps over the shoulders. A garment with trousers and straps over the shoulders. Answer is overalls. Answer is overalls. Number 5, a musical instrument that looks like a guitar. Answer is banjo. Answer is banjo. Number 6, an animal with a fox-like face. Answer is raccoon. Answer is raccoon. Number 7, praised by clapping. Praised by clapping. Answer is applauded. Answer is applauded. So, next topic which we have learned in previous lecture, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So, there are total 5 fill in the blanks. Let's begin. They were very happy in the cool blue water. Answer is happy. Answer is happy. Number 2, Simon's favorite hobby was to attack Dudley and his sister. Answer is hobby. Answer is hobby. Number 3, Frog was playing a banjo. Frog was playing a banjo. Answer is banjo. Answer is banjo. Number 4, Raccoon was playing a fiddle. Raccoon was playing a fiddle. Answer is fiddle. Answer is fiddle. Number 5, the frog went back to the swamp. The frog went back to the swamp. Answer is swam. Answer is swam. So now, in previous lecture, we have done till fill in the blanks. Total 4 topics we have completed in our previous session, that is hard words, meanings, give one word and fill in the blanks. So now let's begin with our today's topic, that is complete the following. Complete the following. So after completing the fill in the blanks from a new page, give heading of complete the following. Okay, on a new page. So let's start to write. I will say it slowly so you all can write with me. Okay, let's start. Number 1, write number 1. Simon and Dudley. Simon and Dudley knew each other, but they weren't the best of friends. This is the answer, weren't the best of friends. So you have to make underline. Okay, weren't the best of friends. Number 2, suddenly they heard. Now I am going to say answer, so put underline. Something shuffling along the beach. Something shuffling along the beach. Number 3, Dudley clapped his flippers. Dudley clapped his flippers. The answer is, and Simon applauded with his fins. Simon applauded with his fins. Number 4, now they all swam together and played together. Answer is, and took care of one another. Question is, now they all swam together and played together. The answer is, and took care of one another. Question number 5. The music and dancing lasted all afternoon. Lasted all afternoon is the answer. The music and dancing lasted all afternoon. So total 5 complete the followings are there. 1, 2, 3 here, and then 4 and 5. So I hope you all have written it properly. Now let's move to the next topic, that is answer in short. Answer in short. So as you all know, new topic starts with a new page. So give heading with a very nice handwriting on a new page, answer in short. Answer in short. Okay, so let's begin. Question number 1. Why does the author feel that Simon did not really want to catch Dudley and his sisters? I am repeating the question so you can write it properly. Question 1. Why does the author feel that Simon did not really want to catch Dudley and his sisters? Answer 1. Because if he caught, because if he caught and at them, and at them, he would not have any fun more. He would not have any fun more. I am repeating it. Question 1. Why does the author feel that Simon did not really want to catch Dudley and his sisters? Answer 1. Because if he caught and at them, he would not have any fun more. Okay, next question. Question 2. What did Simon tell Dudley after the show ended? What did Simon tell Dudley after the show ended? Answer 2. Simon told to Dudley. Simon told to Dudley that if three different creatures can be best friends, if three different creatures can be best friends, then we can also be best friends. Then we can also be best friends. Then question number 3. What was the name of shark? What was the name of shark? Answer 3. Name of the shark was Simon. Answer 3. Name of the shark was Simon. I am repeating the question. Question 3. What was the name of shark? Answer 3. Name of the shark was Simon. Question 4. What was the name of dolphin? Question 4. What was the name of dolphin? Answer 4. Name of the dolphin was Dudley. Name of the dolphin was Dudley. Now, question 5. How many strange creatures were enjoying together? Question 5. How many strange creatures were enjoying together? Then answer 5. 3 strange creatures were enjoying together. Three strange creatures were enjoying together. So how many answer in short are there? Total 5 answer in short. Total 5 answer in short. So I hope you have written it properly. 5 answer in short. Now let's move to the next topic, that is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So as you all know, write heading with a nice handwriting on a new page. Very good. On a new page. All the topics you have to write on a new page. So give heading on a new page with nice handwriting. Answer in brief. Answer in brief. So let's start. Question number 1. How would Simon attack Dudley and his sisters? How would Simon attack Dudley and his sisters? Answer 1. Simon would dive deep in the water, lurking near the bottom. Simon would dive deep in the water, lurking near the bottom, and when he saw dolphins, and when he saw dolphins, he tried to bite their tails. He tried to bite their tails. Let me repeat the question. So if you have missed any word, you can write it properly. Question 1. How would Simon attack Dudley and his sisters? Answer 1. Simon would dive deep in the water, lurking near the bottom, and when he saw dolphins, he tried to bite their tails. Then question 2. Describe the funny sight that Simon and Dudley saw on the beach. Describe the funny sight that Simon and Dudley saw on the beach. Answer 2. Simon and Dudley saw a great big green alligator. Saw a great big green alligator, raggedy overalls. He was dancing. Then they saw a frog playing a banjo. And a raccoon playing a fiddle. So I am repeating the question. So if you have missed any word, you can write it. Okay. Question 2. Describe the funny sight that Simon and Dudley saw on the beach. Answer 2. Simon and Dudley saw a great big green alligator, raggedy overalls. He was dancing. Then they saw a frog playing a banjo and a raccoon playing a fiddle. So these were answer in brief. Now let's move to the last topic of the lesson, that is make sentence. Make sentence. So as usual, give heading on a new page, new topic on a new page, give heading with a fine handwriting, make sentence, and then start to write. Let's begin. Number 1, grumpy. Grumpy. Simon was grumpy. Simon was grumpy. Number 2, swam. Number 2, swam. Answer. The frog went back to the swamp. The frog went back to the swamp. Number 3, friends. Number 3, friends. At last, Simon and Dudley become the best friends. At last, Simon and Dudley become the best friends. So my dear students, this is the end of Fairbook Notes of lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. So let me show you all the topics. So if you have missed anything, you can note it down. So first of all, we have started with hard words. So check hard words in your Fairbook. Total how many hard words are there? I explain you each and every hard words and I teach you how to read these hard words. Total 46 hard words are there. Check in your Fairbook if you have missed anything, so you can write it later. I will send you PDF of whole lesson. Okay. So total 46 hard words are there. After hard words there is meanings. How many meanings are there? Total 9 meanings. Total 9 meanings. Then after meanings there is a topic of give one word. So how many give one words are there? Total 7 give one words. Total 7 give one words. Then fill in the blanks. So how many fill in the blanks are there? Total 5 fill in the blanks. Total 5 fill in the blanks. After fill in the blanks there is complete the following. So how many complete the following are there? Total 5 complete the following. Total 5 complete the following. Then after complete the following there is answer in short. Answer in short. So how many answer in short are there? Total 5. See here. 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. After answer in short there is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So how many answer in brief are there? 1 and 2. After answer in brief there is make sentence. So how many make sentences are there? 3. So my dear students, this is the end of the lesson, end of Fairbook Notes of lesson number 4, the dolphin and the shark. So I hope you enjoyed today's session, and regarding this lesson, if you are having any doubts, any queries, feel free to message me on my WhatsApp number. We will meet in our next session with the next topic. So till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.